The Inter 175A Berline emerged from an unlikely marriage between aviation expertise and post-war European mobility needs. Designed and constructed by SNCAN, a Lyon-based aircraft manufacturer that later became part of Aerospatiale, this microcar was marketed by AMAS and distributed GEFI in Paris. The vehicle debuted at the 1953 Paris Motor Salon alongside two other variants, the open Torpedo and another Berline prototype. Positioned as a bridge between scooters and automobiles, it promised weather protection and stability while maintaining scooter-like agility. Production began in spring 1954, running officially until 1956, though assembly continued sporadically through 1958. Approximately 300 units were manufactured, with fewer than 30 surviving today. The Berline's aircraft heritage permeates every design element. The domed canopy hinges sideways like a fighter jet cockpit, complete with glass windows front and rear, plus sliding plastic side panels. A single Cyclops headlight dominates the tapered nose, while passengers sit in tandem formation. The steering handlebar mimics aircraft controls, and bicycle chain steering connects to rack and pinion mechanisms. The most distinctive feature remains the Westinghouse Gyrostarter, a helicopter-inspired system that spins a motorized flywheel for at least 10 seconds before engagement. Dropping the lever releases stored rotational energy through a clutch, bump-starting the rear-mounted E-Drawl single-cylinder, two-stroke engine. This theatrical starting sequence attracted crowds but proved the car's commercial downfall. The 6-volt motorcycle battery allowed only 2 or 3 attempts, and gyrostarter failures left most survivors immobile. Early models featured collapsible front suspension that reduced width from 53 inches to 35 inches via parallelogram arms and release pins, theoretically enabling passage through garden gates. This impractical feature was abandoned on later production vehicles. The design incorporated cost-saving components: Renault 4-engine hinges and brake cylinders, Lambretta LD scooter wheels, standard 7-inch headlamps, and Panhard Brightwork strips. Production inconsistencies mean no two Inters are identical, creating endless fascination for collectors comparing details. Late models substituted dual fender-mounted headlights for the central Cyclops lamp. The Inter's unreliability reputation ensured commercial failure. Today, this rarity commands premium prices. A 2017 RM Sotheby's Retromobile auction fetched €78,400 for one Berline, proving that commercial disasters can become collector treasures.